Hello everyone, I just want to show you how I make perfectly cooked rice. I use the jasmine rice, high quality, new crop. Then wash it in cold water. Wash it thoroughly. Sometimes I use a strainer, I couldn't find my strainer, so just washing the pot like that thoroughly. I give it a final rinse and I just add just a little water. I forgot to wipe the bottom of the pot. Please do that before you put in the rice cooker. Close the lid and press on cook. The next step is to boil some water. Normally I boil the water a couple minutes before I wash the rice. The water's boiled, so I'm going to just pour water in there. This speeds up the cooking. And I put it like maybe submerge the index finger or so. But I know the measurement, so I didn't have to do that. And close it and let it cook. The rice is steamed cooked. Let's check it out. Wow, it looks nice and fluffy. I'm gonna give a little sample. Oh, tastes so delicious. Cooking rice, use boiled water. Definitely speed up the cooking time. You might want to try this the next time you cook rice. It makes perfect fluffy rice and it's really delicious. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen.